So let's get an idea. What is auto layout and what do we use it for? So with auto layout, we can set up our designs in Figma in such a way that they correspond to changing size. And this will work on things like single components, but also on groups of those components. So that means that we can really use auto layout to set up anything from a button to an entire page. You'll notice that sometimes when you apply auto layout, this works really well and is super easy. However, in other times, it will just behave in the weirdest way, and you need to understand why. The reason is that the Figma layout tools are based on CSS. So what we can do is to break down the menu into different parts. The first part, that is one-dimensional designs, and it represents something called CSS Flexbox. The last part, that is two-dimensional designs, and that would roughly translate into something called CSS Grid. Now, as a designer, you don't need to write or even understand that code, but it's important that you understand the basic concept of why these things work in which way. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down the menu and we're going to run through the different areas, understanding as a designer how they operate. This will not only help you to make much more sense of auto layout, but it will also improve your collaboration and communication with development.